European markets continue to have an eye on China and Greece. The deal's Laura Board joins us from London with that and more. Laura?
Thanks, Jen. Yes, a stabilisation in the Chinese currency and progress on Greece's debt crisis is fueling a modest rebound here in Europe today. We had Eurozone finance ministers approving the Greek debt deal on Friday. On Wednesday, there's the German vote in the parliament. Fears are abating that Chancellor Angela Merkel is going to face a massive rebellion among her own Christian Democrat colleagues. In France, Alstom is up sharply after Reuters reported that the EC is close to giving a nod to GE to purchase Alstom's power assets for about $13 billion. The company has offered concessions to Brussels regulators, which have been vetting the deal since February in an in-depth probe and have a September the 11th deadline to wrap it all up. In the UK, Bovis Homes is down sharply despite reporting in-line first half results, including a 9% increase in net sales and in revenue, as investors look to an end to the glory months for the company, which is close to a 7-year high and whose stock has risen 43% in the past year. Investors have an eye to interest rates. The Bank of England has kept rates steady at 0.5% for well over 6 years now, but the first rate increase is seen just around the corner. In Korea, Samsung Electronics closed down 3.2% as investors decided that 2 new smartphone models that the company unveiled with fanfare last week won't cut it against Apple's iPhone and probably won't be enough to reverse 7 consecutive quarterly declines in profit.
And Laura, Japan's economy shrunk according to the latest data there.
That's right. Figures not great, but actually a bit better or less worse than expected. The economy contracted 1.6% year on year and is down 0.4% in the second quarter on the quarter before. The good news is that some analysts and economists are predicting that this will spur on further fiscal measures to boost growth and get it back on track. It had increased for the previous 2 quarters. That's all from me. Back to you.
That was Laura Board with The Deal in London.